What's up, guys? We're back. Today we're going to be changing out this OEM shift knob for this spoon shift knob. So first, no tools again. I can pop this down, thread this out. And you're gonna want to pull from right here, like where the e-brake is at. Just pull. Actually, it's easier. Probably just gonna do it from here. Just pull there. Boom. Out. This thing's pretty dirty. So, get the new spoon. It's gonna come with this. Thread it. I want to thread that piece in there. It's on. Gonna put this back in. Make sure it goes in through here first. It's in there. Press it down. I mean, you actually don't even have to take this out. I just did it for the fuck of it, but there it is. Just thread it on there. Just keep going. Just keep going, keep going. It's a good fucking forearm workout. Alright. Now, got it. And it's not gonna attach, so it's a free, there we go. It's a freestanding shifter unless you get a aftermarket shift boot, but I don't have that. I have the OEM. Change that out later. There it is. Spoon. See you guys on the next one.